So what are some self-care don'ts? In this video, I'm going over why you shouldn't use self-care as an excuse, as well as knowing the difference between self-care and selflessness coming up. If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel we focus on tips and strategy videos to improve your self-care, as well as discussion of videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Also, at any point in the video, make sure you check out the links and the show notes in the video description about today's topic. Let's get started. While self-care is one thing, crossing the line to selflessness is a whole different story. It can not only destroy you, but the people around you too as well. This is what you call unhealthy coping mechanisms. For example, using self-care as a way to have some alone time versus using it to isolate yourself from everyone else. I'll admit, I'm completely guilty of this. I do this a lot. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. This is something that I'm trying to overcome. It's one of the battles that I go through. And what I mean is there's times where I have family or friends, they will gather around and they will enjoy their time together. Now, of course, I'll be invited, but I would feel more comfortable if I was by myself in a corner doing something, that I'm interested in. Not to say I'm not interested in these people around me. It's just that I feel so comfortable, if that makes sense. To my knowledge and to my understanding, the more I talk about this issue, it's actually hurting a few people around me, and taking it step by step and actually trying to get out of that scenario can change the fact that they may feel that I care about them. Turning to alcohol and over excessive eating just to deal with stress. I get it. Everyone wants to have a good time. Everyone's at the party. Everyone is like turning up. There are people that take those things and turn it into obsessity. Alcoholics, for example, they can't be anywhere around liquor. As soon as they walk in, is that vodka? maybe not like that, but you get what I'm saying. On a more serious note, they can be like, nah man, I only had one drink. I just had one drink, that's all. I had one, I just would like one more and that's it. Those things can actually lead up to more dangerous situations where the person might continue to drink, love the feeling that they're feeling, and can end up hurting someone or worse, killing themselves. Overeating is another example. Look, don't get it twisted. I know I'm skinny like a friggin' twig, but I love food. I love food. I still gotta watch what I'm consuming into my body. And that goes for everyone else. Turning into food and having that over excessive eating can lead to more serious problems. Like, I'm talking about being overweight, high blood pressure, and even heart attacks, the highest cause of death. Another example of what isn't self-care can actually be financial situation. For example, handling responsibilities compared to personal interests. Let's say you have some bills that's due tomorrow. Believe it or not, I know a few people that will take some of their money for those bills and spend it on a fast food burger place just because they got hungry. Now, I'm not saying you can't go out there and have a good time and enjoy some food or even a fast food spot. However, if you have responsibilities up front, you gotta take care of those first and foremost. Being perfect. And what I mean is keeping up with the Joneses and being burnt in the process. Look, I get it. Everyone wants to look good. Everyone wants to look fresh. Everyone wants to feel amazing. If your neighbor has a brand new car, or your classmate has a brand new gadget that just came out, are you really gonna sacrifice your sanity, your money, your time, your energy just to keep up to say you have the same thing, to get recognition from people you don't even fucking like? Hell no, of course not. Here you are doing something to please people, but you're not happy yourself. And if you are happy, or rather not even happy, just to get some fucking validation to say that, hey, this person looks cool because you got the new Yeezys on. If you generally like that brand new car, and that's something that you always wanted, or is a particular gadget that you had your eye on, that's completely fine. But if you're doing it for other reasons, instead of something that will make you happy, you got a little problem. Something needs to change today. Where I left off. Shit. Can I have a shot of Patron? Okay, whatever. Next one. Oh shit. I keep doing that. Oh no, I fucking stop doing that. In this video, I'm going over. What am I going over?